I apologize for not posting yesterday. I was tired.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Art Reply, and today is day 17 of Vlogmas or Artmas. No, I originally wanted to say Artmas, but not everybody on this channel is about the art. No, guys, I must say I apologize for not posting yesterday. I was tired. No, I'm going to drop this video along with yesterday's video at the same time. So if you see this before, go ahead and watch in Vlogmas 16 I mentioned that I wanted to do the hair update, but I was so tired when I got home. As you can see, it's nightlife, so I not only vlog the lights and so on. Knowing me, I had to go to different stores, just take a look around. I shop, see what is there for the Christmas. That's just me. So I end up being extremely tired, and I could not focus to edit. I was just tired, and plus I had things to do in and around the house. I was just tired. Today I had another thing to do. I cannot tell you guys as yet, but soon there's 2 things that I'm working on. I mentioned and even show you guys clips in the different vlogs that I'm working on something. So I can't tell you guys as yet, but yeah, persons who know me kind of know what I'm doing. But anyways, for the update on the hair before I move on to anything else, no matter how much I drenched my hair in aloe vera spray, I still have to drench my hair like every day. It doesn't keep moist. All right, I'm not sure what is happening. I don't know what is happening. Can a shampoo really do that to your hair? I'm not sure what is happening. The do-rag did not fall off any at all. As I said, I made sure to keep it as tight because I want to take the blame off everything. Also, I think I want to pull my hair out on Wednesday or Thursday, probably tomorrow, because I'm really tired of this now. I was so tempted throughout the week to just pull it out and wear my hat, but I decided to leave it in, so I'm really wondering if I should pull it out. Alright, so what I realized that if I miss a day in Vlogmas is it feels like if I'm being backed up or piled up with the videos that I should edit. But I'm gonna try and stay consistent because guys, we're almost done. Next week, Wednesday, I believe, is the 25th. And then we're done. I'm almost there, so I can't give up as yet, guys. I cannot give up. And I also should mention that uploading videos nowadays on my computer is getting very slow. I'm not sure what is happening. I'm not sure if it's the modem, but I did upgrade, so I don't understand what is happening. I need to go back to the network provider because I'm paying $1,000 more for fast speed and I'm not getting no fast speed, so I don't know what is happening. Uploading is taking long, not to mention editing is taking a while. It's just been so much going on in the background, but I'm not complaining. I'm still here doing the vlogs, etc., so I'm not complaining or anything. All right, just giving you guys a bit of update. I also want to do a live on Wednesday or Thursday. Either it's going to be about my hair or art, because I really miss doing some art projects, some art stuff. So I want to go back to my roots. Alright guys, art is and was and still is my first love as it comes to like skills. Yeah, so I want to go back to that, guys. Also guys, after Vlogmas or even during Vlogmas, comment and tell me some of the things that you want to see in Jamaica or just see in general. I will try and make it happen if I do get any comment. But I do have like a long list, more than even 25 of things I want to try for Vlogmas or Artmas. So but I want to get your opinion and to see where you guys stand, what you want to see, etc., etc. So you can comment down below and tell me that. Okay. Today, what did I do today? Yeah, I did the thing that I'm working on. Fell asleep again because I'm still tired from yesterday. Collect my child from school. Attend to my children for a couple period of time. Get in some Bible studies and some Bible readings. Clear my mind a couple of minutes, and then I started to do the editing of yesterday's vlog, and now I'm going to edit this as soon as I am done. Alright, because I promised you guys an update and I did not do one yesterday. Yesterday what I did was to just put the gel at the front of my hair and spray it. I didn't drench it yesterday. I just sprayed just a little bit with the aloe vera spray. That's all I did to my hair yesterday. Today I did the same thing again, and it's still dry. It still has dandruff. It's still drying out no matter how I drench it. So I'm not sure what is happening. Alright, but I'm thinking that I am going to go back to the egg and protein for this wash this week. Definitely, I'm going back to egg and protein because I don't think I can manage what is happening with my hair right now. But stay tuned for that video, guys. But I really want to do some art now. I'm feeling it in my spirit. I want to do some painting. I want to do some art. I want to do something with art. I'm kind of missing that vibe, you know. Alright, so guys, I know guys, I have 500 and something subscribers, and I forgot that when you're at 500 and something subscribers, you get community posts. I forgot that I had community posts where I could have update you guys. I have to get used to this, and I'm not used to it. I forgot to update you guys that I probably will not be able to post because of the night life situation. But I now remember, it's when I was going through today. I mean, like I was saying, wait a minute. I have community posts now. I could post. I should have posted that it's going to be late, and I totally forgot. So hopefully I remember nowadays that I have community posts because I passed 500 subs, alright? But hope you guys accept my apology for the lateness of today's videos and today's video and yesterday's video. Yes, and that's it for today. That's the update for today. I think in this vlog I want to show you also the update on the class that I am doing, the progress of the child. Alright, so I'm going to show you the progress of the child in this video here for those who are interested in the art and the teaching and stuff like that. So stay tuned and watch for that. See how the child progresses and get some ideas on how you can assist a child in their painting, their drawing, etc. Alright guys, I'll see you guys soon, and thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Alright, twerk fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.